everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if you get the Resident Evil 7 fatal application exit error in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to disable the display adapter. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. Now in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand the display adapters by double-clicking on it, and afterwards right-click the problematic device and select the Disable Device option. Afterwards, just restart your PC and then check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to update the graphics driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. In here, in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand the display adapters by double-clicking on it, and afterwards right-click the problematic device and select the Update Driver option. Now just click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will try to find the best possible drivers for your PC. Lastly, just restart your computer and then check if the issue is solved. You can also verify the integrity of game files using Steam. Note that this fix works only if you have Resident Evil 7 bought for Steam. So open the Steam application. In this example I will show you a similar game, and the procedure is similar because I don't have Resident Evil 7. So right-click the game, then select the Properties option, and afterwards make sure to click on Local Files on the left pane, and then on the right side make sure to click on the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now all you have to do is simply wait for the process to complete, and then you can restart your PC and check if the issue still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to reinstall Resident Evil 7. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side click on Apps and Features. Now in here, simply scroll down until you locate Resident Evil 7, and then click on the ellipsis next to it and select the Uninstall option. Proceed with the on-screen instructions to uninstall the game, and afterwards close this window and restart your PC. You can then afterwards reinstall Resident Evil 7 and check if the issue still persists. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.